This is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G, one of the premium phone released in 2020. It has a Snapdragon 865 Plus octa-core processor with CPU speed over 3 GHz. Outer display is a Super AMOLED 6.2-inch 60Hz display. Inner display is a 7.6-inch dynamic AMOLED with adaptive refresh rate of 120 Hz. This display is the main attraction of this device because it can be folded and unfolded. Unfolded, it's a tablet, and folded, it becomes a phone. Let's talk about camera. This phone comes with 5 cameras. This is a 10 megapixel selfie camera. Again, you get a 10 megapixel camera which you can use for video conferencing and also for taking picture and selfies. Rear camera is a triple camera setup. This one is a wide angle camera, this is normal, and this is a 2x zoom, each having 12 megapixel. You can also use the rear camera to take selfie and use this screen as a viewfinder. You can record 4K video at 60 fps and slow-mo in Full HD at 240 fps and HD at 960 fps. It has 12 GB RAM and 256 GB memory, out of which 220 GB is available. And it does not support external memory. This is where you insert SIM. It supports nano SIM and one eSIM. This is also a 5G capable device. You can charge this device using wireless charging or Type-C port. It also has NFC and multiple location technology like GPS, GLONASS. This is a premium device and comes with multiple sensors like accelerometer, barometer, fingerprint sensor, gyro sensor, geomagnetic sensor, Hall sensor, light sensor, proximity sensor. The length of device is 159 millimeter and the width is 68 millimeter. Thickness of this device is this side 13.8 millimeter and this side 16.8 millimeter. When you unfold the device, the dimension is again 159 millimeter, 128 millimeter, and this is the thickness is 6.9 millimeter. It's very heavy on your pocket, not just in terms of money, but also weighs 282 grams. It is capable of playing 8K video at 60 fps, but I cannot find 8K resolution. I can find only up to 1440p. When I switch to Chrome browser, I can see 4K at up to 60 fps. Maybe browser and YouTube app need to upgrade, else you will have to watch 8K videos using another app. Battery capacity of this device is somewhere between 4300 to 4500 milliampere, and there are like 2 separate batteries, one in this compartment, another is this compartment. It's good enough to last for full day on normal usage. You can pair up this device with Galaxy Buds to listen to the music and also with Galaxy Watch. It also supports Samsung DeX. This device, however, does not support Samsung Pen. So this is one of the negative points of this device. There are two speakers on this phone, one this side and another this side. Both sounds pretty awesome. This is how the phone looks when it is unfolded. And this is how it looks when it is folded. Power button has inbuilt fingerprint scanner. And these are volume keys. In the end, it's one of the premium phone cum tablet out there in the market in 2020. Outer screen is a glass screen and scratch resistant. Inner screen is very prone to scratches and you'd like to have a screen guard all the time. This AMOLED screen is very good for reading books. In case you get scratches on your screen, you could get it replaced once by paying 150 USD. The biggest concern of this screen is kind of hinge, but when you unfold it, it almost disappears and it's very hard to notice this. Most of the time you won't feel it actually, but when you are scrolling this way and you are scrolling like this, and if you are scrolling here, then you might feel that there is a hinge here, but on normal day usage you won't be feeling much of hinge, neither while watching videos or while reading books. You will notice it only when you are paying attention to it, else you won't be able to notice it much.